Good afternoon, if you're just joining us at Hove, this is your Southern Service to London Victoria. Next station stop is Preston Park. If you have just joined us at Hove, this service is formed of 8 coaches. We've got toilets for coaches 2 and 3, as well as coaches 6 and 7, split by the doorways as normal. First class is in operation. There are 4 areas on this train. If you do sit in those areas, please make sure you have a first class ticket. We'll be through the train shortly, checking tickets and rail cards. Next station stop though is Preston Park.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to London Victoria. The next station is Preston Park. Please keep your bags and personal belongings with you at all times. If you see something that doesn't look right, report it to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it, sorted. Preston Park.
Oh, do you have not enough for 45? There's more.
Preston Park. This train is the Southern Service to London Victoria, calling at Essex, Burgess Hill, Haywards Heath, Gatwick Airport, East Croydon, Clapham Junction, and London Victoria. The next station is Essex.
Me and I'll keep you updated about what happens. I'll let you know the interview guys and stuff. And anyway, I'll speak to you again soon. I'll let you get on with your housework and looking after you, baby. Right, I'll let you go. I'll speak to you soon.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to London Victoria. The next station is Essex.
Alright, I'll speak to you soon. Alright, love you.
all. Just check your tickets, please. Hello. Lovely, that's great.
Thank you.
Afternoon. Cheers, thanks very much. Hello, mate. Lovely, thank you. Afternoon, that's perfect. Hello, all right. That's all right, lovely. That's fine, cheers. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Which one did you feel?
We are now approaching Haywards. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Bro, actually, can I get extra that was, I didn't want to go on like that, so I decided maybe mini weight would be fine. I decided that mini weight might run away. Bro, actually, had no clip on half the time. I did!
This is Haywards. This train is the southern service to London Victoria, calling at Burgess Hill, Haywards Heath, Gatwick Airport, East Croydon, Clapham Junction, London Victoria. The next station is Burgess Hill. Welcome aboard the southern service to London Victoria. The next station is Burgess Hill.
Yeah, we don't talk about it. That's about it.
Did you say I know?
Imagine if they did see it, they'd say that.
You and Ziggy. We're only on Wednesday. The car's ready. 5 more days. Next week. Yeah, it's all I didn't even know you were making it was really good as well, wasn't it? Do you like his idea?
Yeah, I do, but I'm just sort of talking through.
Got that bit like and I sort of did the same when I told them what to do, right? And then actually I'm like, well, okay, but you know, it's like what? It's like sort of haven't many movements. It's like yeah,
that's right, that's why I said
that's fine. I know, that's fine. Well, I know you can work it all out, but it's like, but it's sad, the design, and I was
We
like,
are now approaching Burgess Hill. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
you won't care as long as it's plastic.
no, it's not. Thank you.
Yes, I feel like we're currently not like
This is Burgess Hill. This train is the southern service to London Victoria, East Croydon, Clapham Junction, and London Victoria. The next station is
yeah, no, that's why he said it. He said find 2 levels that I'm gonna build one that's perfect height, exactly fitting. He's like really excited about it. I know, you've not been as enthusiastic about it. You're like, right? And I think he thought it'd be really nice to put it together.
When we were doing our fitness training, the girls didn't play the song that boys hate, so they scored loads of boys. And then guess what we did? No. And then guess what we did? We played Sea Lion, what everybody could do review the Sea Lion.
welcome aboard the southern service to London Victoria. The next station is Haywards Hill.
The only thing is obviously when we get to there's not a lot to do, but I think if we go to the park well, we can eat. There isn't much, you know. It's so glad you could come.
Hey, by the way, she might not tell you talking. She has
Good afternoon all. Any passengers for Three Bridges, please change here but remain on the same platform for your next Thameslink service. Once we do leave Haywards Heath, this train is fast to Gatwick Airport, so once again, any passengers for Three Bridges, please change here but remain on the same platform for your next Thameslink service which calls at that station. Please mind the gap, this is Haywards Heath.